Hello and welcome to Teach Me Money Methods. In today's video, I'm going to go over how to make money with a capture page. A capture page, different names for it as a landing page, a squeeze page, a capture page. It's just a page that will allow you to quickly capture your customer's email address. In return, you usually give something away to them. You're selling something, or you might be giving something away for free, but nonetheless, it's a good way to capture somebody's email address. And I'm going to show you some cool ways that you can create these capture pages really simply and low-cost methods. So let's jump right in. So I'm actually in my GetResponse account here, and this is I've been a GetResponse user for a long time, and I've always just I've tried Aweber and I've tried GetResponse and I've tried different probably a good 5 to 7 of the major email companies, and I've always gone back to GetResponse. I think just has the most tools to offer, and it's just really simple. Their navigation is simple, and I just like their interface and their platform a lot better, and I believe their pricing is just a little bit better than Aweber's. So I've always been a good GetResponse fan and a customer of theirs. So you're on the dashboard here, and what's really cool is a lot of people don't know this, is you can actually come over here and click on the menu item. And they've had this for a couple years now, and I've been able to set up a couple really cool funnels. They actually have full funnels that you can do. You have to upgrade your account to get the funnel kits, where you can actually create full funnels and get good stats and tracking on where your traffic's coming in and what's leading to sales in your business. You can set up your autoresponders and all that kind of stuff. But what we're interested in is landing pages. So I'm going to open up landing pages, and you'll see that you can create a new landing page here. Now just check this out. I mean, look at all of these templates that you have to choose from. I remember when they first started, they had about 12 templates, and now they have dozens and dozens of templates for just about anything you can think of. Fitness centers here, gyms and doctor's offices, and if you're promoting a book, there's one, there's another one, and there's another one. So there's 3 book ones right there, and just all kinds of stuff, right? They even have some themes or seasoned type pages, templates that you can use. Happy Thanksgiving, Halloween, things like that. Webinar signups, entrepreneur stuff, Black Friday deals, Merry Christmas. Just look at all these templates. I mean, you would think that we are on Clickfunnels right now, and we're not on Clickfunnels. We're on, the basic plan for GetResponse is about $15 a month, and you can have access to, I believe you get a couple squeeze pages live at a time. And so it just keeps going, keeps going, keeps going. And so here's some for like internet marketing type stuff down here. And it just keeps going and going and going. So what's cool is you can also sort up here, and you can go to, sales, webinars, whatever you're looking for here. If you're trying to promote something, get more downloads. You even have thank you pages over here. So if you clicked on sales, then it's going to take you over to here as well. And you'll see that there's a bunch of different sales templates. So you could just click on one, right? So let's just say we select this template here, and you can just title it test. And we're going to build this capture page real quick. I'm not going to build the whole thing just for the sake of keeping the video going and not taking too much of your time. But you can see it's a beautiful page here, and you also get the HTML, you have the preview of mobile and desktop, and so you can come in here and you can just write what you want. Here you can change all the text, change this text to what you want, and you can just totally come in here and just update anything. If you want that to say, there's actually 5 steps, right? And we're going to create more down here. You can change out images. You can put a video here. You can take that out if you don't like it by going to the trash can and getting rid of that. And you can just delete what you don't want, and you can completely change the template around. You can also start from scratch, and then you can go to the thank you page and make your adjustments there. And then once you're done, you can you get to choose what you want to save so now it's going to give you the mobile version, right? And there's what it's going to look like on mobile, on a phone. And we're going to go ahead and proceed. So I can show you what it looks like at the end when you can choose what you're going to do with the list if you want to create a new list. But here's what's really cool. You can choose between these different things, like subscribe me now, GetResponse pages, and GR8 if you want a really short one, GR8. So I like subscribe me now. That's great. Sounds professional. But then there's also GR8, which I think is great too. And then you can just say, let's say you're promoting product A. So you can actually, boom, go like that, producta.gr8.com. You're going to have a really short, website URL address, and you can send that, and that's going to be your new page that you're going to send to people. So it's really easy. GetResponse is really cool, and you can build these pages quickly and then promote products. And give away some free stuff. You could give away free PLR products to get people on your list. So then you can, send them messages daily or weekly, promoting high quality products to them. And so a couple that I've made before, I publish books and things like that. So I actually had a brand, Gregory Willis, latest development and motivation for him, and then people sign up right here, and then they get noticed when I do another book for him. It's just a pen name. And then one in the internet marketing that I used last year was how I'm making $417 a day commissions right now, and just a little bit of headline, subheadline. And you want to watch the video, right? But you can't. So you go ahead and put your name, put your email in there, watch video, and it's going to take you to the page to watch the video. So this just gives you an idea. These were all built in. See, here's the GR8 right here. And you can also put I have a website, Realistic Pay. And so you can actually put so that's what my address was. This is just a preview. And I use this one, see, subscribe me now, gregorywillis.subscribemenow.com. Sounds very professional. So it's not going to turn anybody away. And you don't have to use ClickFunnels. So ClickFunnels, here we go. This is, everybody knows ClickFunnels. And when you use ClickFunnels, a lot of times you're going to create a new ClickFunnels funnel or capture page. And most of the time you're going to be using the .clickfunnels.com anyways, right? So it's still going to, people are going to know that you're using ClickFunnels unless you sign up premium accounts and you can put your own domains. See, so you would have to be paying $1,500 a month just to have 27 custom domains on here, right? The basics, lowest model plan that you can get with ClickFunnels is $100 a month, and you only get 3 domains, right? So you're going to exhaust those pretty quickly. And look, you're going to be paying $1,200 a year minimum. And if you are paying for the $300 version, which a lot of people do, I think that's the popular one, 300 times 12, you're spending $3,600 just on putting up pages on for your business. So I am not a fan of going with ClickFunnels, at least in the beginning. You can graduate to ClickFunnels, but if you're a beginner affiliate marketer, online entrepreneur, you don't want to go ClickFunnels. It's very expensive. You need some of that money to do different things with. And so I would recommend I definitely would recommend GetResponse, and you can get your business started with GetResponse for $15. You get a 30-day free trial, and then it's $15 a month for your first 1,000 subscribers. So GetResponse is a great alternative and a way cheaper alternative. And guess what? with ClickFunnels, you're still going to have an email autoresponder program. So you're going to have to add $15 to $20 a month on top of your $100 or $300 that you're paying. So just so you know. And then if you want to take this to the next level and you kind of want something that's better than GetResponse when it comes to the types of pages that you can create, but you definitely don't want to be paying this kind of money per month, then you might want to check this program out right here. It's called the 12-minute affiliate system. And you would come over here. You can click the link below in the description, and it'll take you to this page. You can put your name and email address in here, and then you can go. You can actually watch the video right here. But then they have more videos once you sign up. They'll show you a lot more about what the program is, but essentially they're going to give you professionally done for you funnels and capture pages, squeeze pages, landing pages. And it's like a club. So they have dozens and dozens of them. They're ready to go. They're proven to convert. And it's a lot more affordable than ClickFunnels. So if you're getting serious about building your online business and you want to build your email subscriber list up quickly, this program is the way to go. And so I highly recommend it. So if you want to click the link below, just check it out. So for our next video, if you have a video suggestion, please leave it in the comments below, and I'll see about if I have knowledge of that topic, then I'd be happy to make a video for you. And then if you're interested in taking your online business to the next level and picking up the 12-minute affiliate system, click the first link in the description, and please like and subscribe to the channel if you find value to my videos. Hit the like button if you want more videos on how to make money online. And I look forward to seeing you next time. Thanks.